Are you ready to learn how to make money online? It's time to take advantage of this incredible opportunity. Making money online is easier than you think. You just need to follow a few simple steps. First, find a trustworthy online platform that offers various ways to earn money. Look for platforms that provide freelancing opportunities, online surveys, or even selling products online. Second, create a profile and start exploring the available options. You can choose to work on projects that match your skills or fill out online surveys at your convenience. Third, dedicate your time and effort to complete the tasks or projects you've chosen. The more you work, the more money you can make. Finally, get paid once you've completed the assigned tasks or projects. You'll receive payment directly to your online account. You can then transfer your earnings to your bank account or use them to shop online. It's that simple, so what are you waiting for? Start making money online today and enjoy the freedom and flexibility it brings. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to earn money on your terms. Get started and take control of your financial future now.